What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Now, I know I haven't posted in quite some time. I think it's been almost a year at this point, but I am back in school, so please bear with me, guys. But I did want to make a video on something that did happen to me recently with the C63. Now, one morning on my way to work, I was driving down the road and I looked in my rearview mirror, and what I saw was not good. I saw a huge cloud of smoke, but just to be safe, I did pull over into a nearby gas station. So when I pulled in the gas station, I put the car in park. And when I put it in a park, I could see some white smoke. I mean, obviously it was oil. It was coming out of the windshield area on the car. And when I got out of the car, I walked around the front and I saw some more smoke coming out of like the grill area. And I noticed a lot of oil on the wheel liner here, and as well on the rocker panel. Or the side skirt, whatever you want to call it. Now, I kept walking down because there was a lot of oil on the lower part, so I kept walking down and tracing it all the way back, and I found that there was also a huge thick layer of oil all on the tire. It was all in the wheel well here as well, and back here was completely just covered in oil. I do still have to clean the car. As you can see, there is right in here, there's a little bit of oil left over. I'm gonna have to detail the car, which I plan on doing today, because we're getting some nice weather. I haven't been driving it, but I'm gonna put a video so you guys can see what the car looks like. I have a video of it on the lift so you guys can see all the oil, but it was just a complete mess. I mean, the underside of the car had to get degreased like probably 3 or 4 times for it to get you know, back to the way it was. So a lot of you guys that are probably also C63 owners, you want to know what happened. So probably about 2 years ago, I went ahead and I installed this catch can here. You know, it's been you know, really good. I haven't had any issues with it up until this point, but I do think that the cold weather also contributed to it. So what I think happened is that there was some buildup in one of the hoses. The car sits outside overnight, so it probably froze, and then as I was driving it, you know, for 10 minutes, it built up that crankcase pressure and unfortunately busted the driver's side valve cover. And when I say busted, I'm not talking about the valve cover itself, I'm talking about the rubber seal. Now, the part that actually blew on the valve cover was the corner here on the driver's side. It wasn't a huge piece, but it made it seem like the entire valve cover probably blew off the car because of how much oil there was. So what I did do is I got a new valve cover gasket, got that installed, and I also got a new valve cover for the driver's side just in case. I didn't know if the other one was warped, but you know, just for precautionary measures, I did go ahead and I got a new valve cover. And on the passenger side, since we already had everything apart, went ahead and did that gasket as well, but I did not swap out that valve cover because unfortunately there is a back order on that part. And while I did have the valve covers off, I went ahead and I looked at the camshafts. You know, they looked great. There's a lot of people that say that they wear prematurely, so what I'm gonna do is just, you know, kind of keep an eye on them. I do plan on doing the camshaft adjusters at some point. Now, I'm not going to worry too much because I am not daily driving this car anymore. I did buy another daily, but that is going to do it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, please make sure you do hit the like button and drop a comment below if something like this has happened to you in your C63. And I will see you guys in the next video.